Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix GCash account on hold. If your GCash account is suddenly on hold, don't worry. There are several ways to resolve it. This issue usually happens due to unverified accounts, inaccurate information, inactive wallets, or possible violations of GCash terms. To fix this, open your browser and search for the GCash Help Center. Click the first link that appears in the search bar, type account on hold, and open the article with that title, you'll find all the possible reasons for restriction and the proper steps to take it. If your account wasn't fully verified within 12 months or contained incorrect details, you can re-upload accurate documents such as valid ID, proof of billing, and your signature. For inactive or flagged accounts, scroll down and click Chat with Gcash's official support bot. Type account on hold and submit your ID and a selfie holding it for verification. Once that's done, GCash will review your case and help you restore access to your account. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.